Ngayong adlaw mga mat-aaral. So karong adlaw atong ipadayon ang magpadayon ta sa paghatag og example sa unsaon pag-solve sa quadratic equations gamit ang ato ang quadratic formula. So mudugang tag example kay dito sa una nato nga video sa part 1 duha na kabuk atong natag nga example tungod kay taas kayo ang solving. So dugang ta. So ang ato ang formula is x is equal to negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So na. So example 3 dugang ta. Natay 12x squared plus 23x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, since naka-standard form na ang atong given quadratic equation, diretso na ta sa pag-determine sa atong value sa atong a, b, ug c. Okay? So, ang a na to is mo ni numerical coefficient sa quadratic term is 12. Ang b is numerical coefficient sa linear term, so 23. C is the constant, 5. So, kani nga mga values sa a, b, ug c, mao ni atong i-substitute dire sa a, b, ug c sa atoang formula. So, x now is equal to negative. So, na ay b. So, atong ilisan sa value niya nga 23. Then, plus minus square root of na napoy b squared pa gyud. So, 23. 23 squared minus 4 times a times c. So, ang atong a is 12. Ang atong c is 5. All over 2 times a is 12. Okay? So, simplify na ta. So, x is equal to negative 23. Negative 23 plus minus square root of 23 squared. So, 23 times 23, that is 529. Then, negative 4 times positive 12 is negative 48 times 5. That's negative 240. So, negative 240 all over 2 times 12 is 24. Then, x is equal to negative 23 positive negative square root of 529 minus 240. So, 289. So, 529 minus 240 is 289 all over 24. Then, x is equal to negative 23 positive negative square root of 289 is 17. So, 17 all over 24. So, gikan karon, gikan diha na nakay duha. So, x sub 1 is equal to negative 23 plus 17 over 24. Then, ang ikaduha, x sub 2 is negative 23 minus 17 over 24. Then, simplify. So, x sub 1 is equal to Negative 23 plus 17 is negative 6 over 24. So, negative 6 over 24, reduce na to. So, divisible sila sa 6, no? Negative 6 divided by 6 is negative 1. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So, ang ato ang unang root is negative 1/4. Then, ato ikaduhang root, negative 23 minus 17 is negative 40 over 24. Then, ma-divide sa 8 ang ilang pinakadako na common factor. Greatest common factor is 8. So, negative 40 divided by 8. So, that's negative 5. Then, over 24 divided by 8 is 3. So, our second root or x sub 2 is negative 5 over 3. So, atong i-check. Check na to. Dito na to ang original or given equation. So, ang given equation is 12x squared plus 23x plus 5 is equal to 0. Dapat masatisfy sa atong roots ang ato ang given equation. So, for x sub 1 which is equal to negative 1/4. So, atong i-substitute. So, mo ni siya karong 12 na ay x. So, ilisa na to og negative 1/4 square plus 23 na napoy x. Ilisan og negative 1/4. Then, plus 5 is equal to 0. Common simplify. So, 12 negative 1/4 squared. So, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1 over 4 times 4 is 16. Then kani, multiply lang. So, 23, positive 23 times negative 1 is negative 23 over 4. So, negative 23 over 4. Then, kopya lang, plus 5 is equal to 0. Then, 12 times 1 is 12 divided by 16 is 12 over 16 minus 23 over 4 plus 5 is equal to 0. So, dili parehas og denominator ang atong mga fraction. So, i-reduce na to ni sa lowest term para magkaparehas. So, ang common factor nila is 4. So, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So, parehas na. 3/4, then minus 23 over 4, then plus, ang 20, ang 5 is equal to 20 over 4. Para parehas og denominator. So, 20 over 4 equal to 0. Then, add na. So, positive 20 over 4 plus 3/4. So, may na siyang positive 23 over 4 minus 23 over 4 is equal to 0. So, 23 over 4 minus 23 over 4 is 0 is equal to 0. Meaning, our first root is correct or tama. Sunod. So, itong ikaduha nga root na is negative 5 over 3. So, ito pong i-substitute dito sa atong equation. So, 12 times na x. So, lisan og negative 5 over 3. Squared plus 23 times x. So, negative 5 over 3. Then, plus 5 is equal to 0. Then, simplify. So, 12 square na to ni. So, negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Over 3 times 3 is 9. Then, distribute lang. So, 23 times negative 5 over 3. So, 23 times negative 5 is 115. So negative man, so negative 115 over 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. Then 12 times 25. Or pwede po i-reduce na to daan, pwede kahit ako. So, divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 is 4. Then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, 25 over 3. Minus 115 over 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. Then, times 4 times 25 is 100 over 3 minus 115 over 3 plus 5. So, ang 5, kung ato na siyang paano niyang equivalent sa 3 ang denominator is 15 over 3. So, muna itong gamiton para automatic, pareha sila og denominator. So, 15 over 3 equal to 0. So, mga positive, nara, 100 over 3, 100 over 3 plus 15 over 3 is equal to 115 over 3 minus 115 over 3 is equal to 0. So, 115 over 3 minus 115 over 3 is 0 is equal to 0. So, ang atong ikaduhang root, na-satisfy po niya ang ato ang given equation. So, buot pasabot, ang ato ang nakita nga mga value sa x or roots or solution are correct.